As pollution in the United States continues to rise, and as our dependence on fossil fuels continues to become more and more desperate, our need for a sustainable and reliable electric energy resource becomes clear. Enter IPRO 313 on refuelable electric cars. IPRO 313 focuses on the deployment of a Zinc-Air battery, a battery that creates electricity through the chemical reaction between zinc and an electrolyte. In this case, potassium hydroxide. Early research makes this project much more exciting when considering that Zinc-Air batteries have even more energy density than lithium-ion or traditional lead-acid batteries. IPRO 313 is broken into three distinct groups. Firstly, the group is the fuel system, which works to provide information as far as the zinc and electrolyte reaction. The fuel system team is also responsible for other aspects of the battery development. For instance, the fuel system team must also worry about getting the depleted zinc oxide out of the solution so that it doesn't clog up the Zinc-Air battery itself. The fuel system team is responsible for keeping the chemical reaction that brings the ZincMobile to life fully functional. Endurance is key, and throughout the semester the fuel systems team has been working to collect data to keep the ZincMobile running for years to come. Our second group is the car team, which ensured that the work that the fuel team did was able to translate into an actual electric vehicle. The car team's primary job was to take an electrical car that was donated by Oregon National Laboratory and making into a working platform for the ZincMobile and the Zinc-Air engine to run in. They make sure that the dreams imagined by the rest of the team and the rest of the project can come to life in a full-scale and fully functional electric vehicle driven by the power of the zinc and electrolyte reaction. Throughout the semester, this meant the car team was rewiring the car, reinstalling brackets, and installing motors to make sure that the car itself was ready to accept the Zinc-Air battery. At the end of the semester, we can look back and say we are this much closer to realizing the dream of a refuelable electric car that can be driven merely on the electronic capacity of a few zinc pellets. The final portion of the team was the business team, who worked tirelessly throughout the semester to spread the message of ZincMobile through social medias. We encourage you to follow in any way you can, whether through our email, ipro313@gmail.com, our Twitter, @ZincMobile, our Facebook, ZincMobile313, or on our website. Help us realize the dream of a refuelable electric car.